Alright, so this one will be just a quick short one. Basically I'm going to go over how you can do the same thing as I'm doing with my Java learning. So first of all, if you want to do it the same way, you're going to have to go into the Java programming course, and then in here you're going to go to part 1 and then getting started with programming. You can fill this in, or you don't have to if you don't want to. Then you can read all of this, or you should read all of this. This video would be helpful and is helpful with subtitles, but it's in foreign language. But basically what you do is you follow this link, which will bring you to this website. Here what you do is you can read along, but first of all you click on this link, which will bring you to this website. In here you can press this button to click on the download for it. Don't select the latest version because it won't work. I've tried it and it didn't. So you select OpenJDK 11. Then here you can select the latest version, so you just find Windows if it's a Windows device or the device that you're wanting to use it on. So then you I would just get the zip folder, click on it, let's put it into the downloads, download it, and once it's downloaded you can just show in folder, and then once it's done you can right click, extract all, extract, and then that's completely different, but basically you're going to be able to just run it right there and then. So while that's doing its thing, that's going to get you Java 11. Then when you have downloaded it and you have clicked it to run it, what you want to do is when you're at this step of the custom setup, you want to select the set java underscore home variable, this one, and the set and Java soft Oracle registry key to a entire feature will be installed on local hard drive. So you just press on that little button and select the bottom one for each of them. So once you do that, as you can see here, you move on to this download, in which you will click on this, save. Once that's done downloading, then you click on it. That will do its download, and then you will get this TMC bean icon on your desktop, or you can just find it in your downloads file, or like downloads area here. And once you click on it, the first time you click on it, you will need to log in. But to log in, you first of all need to create an mooc.fi account, which you can just create by signing up at the top here. Once you have done that, you can log in with your username and password, or your email and password. And then once you have logged in, you want to click onto MOOC, and then afterwards you want to, if you're doing the same thing I am doing, you want to select, it's not here on this screen, but it will be there on this the select course option, which is going to be Java programming, and then just the one, because that's the first one you're doing. So once you've selected that, then this will open as such. But I think it will be on the services first of all. To get onto all the projects that we're doing, you just click on the projects tab, and to access each individual area, you press either double click on what you want, or you can press the little plus minus icon next to it, and you just go into the default package. For instance, the first one is Sandbox here, and then from here what you can do is use the system.out.println, and then that's just the actual programming. But once you're in this page, the two things I need to be to know to use is first of all the run. So the run project, you select what you want to run, then the server will actually run your program, and then that's the name of the person who created Java, I think. And then to submit, to see if it's actually successful, you click on submit. It will go to the server. You can click on run in background, and once it's completed it will pop up with successfully done. And once that happens, this little green icon will show this. Instead of having it green or gray, it will turn into green, and that's the part 1 complete. And then afterwards, obviously, you can follow along with all the exercises as such and learn what you want to learn. Basically, here you can leave feedback. To be honest, I would recommend it, but I'm too busy for leaving feedback for the moment. But you can also view all the progress that you have done if you click on view submissions in browser. Okay, and you can see what I have done for each exercise and how I have gone about doing it. So that's a short video, but basically describing how you can start the same process I've done. And yeah, that's basically it. So if you enjoyed, like, subscribe, whatnot, and if you want to follow along the footsteps I'm going, then good luck, and see you in the comment section. Alright, see you, and bye.